So this is my 1969 BSA Bantam. I'm out doing something a little bit different tonight. I'm collecting an airline hose for my mate, and inside my helmet I've wired a TRS microphone under the chin strap and against my right ear where the Sena intercom speaker is, with the idea that when I'm out riding in a pack or a group, the background audio can be recorded. But there's been a lot of rubbish YouTube videos for the audio files amongst you, and that's not a rude name, for basically those people that understand the principles of the phono male and female jacket socket. What I've got here is a TRS male into the back of the GoPro 11 Black Media Mod, which then comes to a TRS female, which then connects to a TRS male splitter that has a microphone, two 3.5mm TRS sockets, one under my chin for the microphone for my audio that you're hearing now, and one microphone that's much smaller without the foam behind my right ear that will hopefully pick up the intercom when I speak. So when I make a call, or I'm recording a ride with friends, you'll pick up their audio as well on my audio track of the ride. Now the helmet I've got on is a Premier full face, and my wingman reports that this is typically a very windy, noisy helmet. So I've no idea how much post-processing I'll have to do in Adobe Audition. I edit my videos in Adobe Premiere Pro, and my audio tracks are often cleaned up with Adobe Audition, which is effectively their audio track mixing, which for those of us that are old enough remember graphic equalizers in a car. That's pretty much what it does. So I can dial out on the audio track the high and low frequencies of the motorcycle engine, and you can hear the voice a little bit clearer. So yeah, TRS. TRS microphone 1 against my chin, about £6. TRS microphone 2, about £6. TRS female, 2 female to 1 TRS male, about £11. TRS half a metre male to female with a right angle male to go into the media mod, about £11. So to give good reliable audio inside the motorcycle helmet isn't very much money at all. What I'm going to do is actually make a phone call in a minute. The traffic's far too busy. I wouldn't do it when I was riding anyway. I'm going to make a phone call using the Sena intercom when I pull over and see if my audio track picks up the telephone call. This is the quality of the audio. Let's have a look. Let's see who we can call and check the audio. Call Bubba Gump.
Calling Bubba Gump. Mobile.
Cool, that is loud. I'm just controlling the volume in my headset with the Sena volume.
Hello.
Hello, can you just tell me, and just keep this clean and sensible, I'm riding, I'm actually recording this conversation. How clear can you hear me?
Very clear.
How clear can you hear me?
Perfectly.
Perfectly clear?
As if you had the handset to your ear.
Well, I've pulled over, there's no engine ring, and I'm on Mick George's Hill, but I've got a microphone fitted behind my right ear, and I was really interested to hear how clear the recording was of your voice. Alright, I'll ring you back in a minute. Cheers, bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Tra-tra.
Anyway, thanks for watching. If you find these small videos useful, please think about hitting the like or the subscribe button. See you all soon. Ride safe. Cleffy.